Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today. For exam LTAM, Kirsten, who is age 45, has just joined a final salary defined benefit pension plan. Final average salary is defined as the average salary in the 2 years before retirement. The accrual rate is 1.6% per year of service. You are given that salary increases follow the salary scale below, and we have the values of the salary scale for ages 45 through 60, although some ages are skipped, but apparently that won't matter. Our job is to calculate Kirsten's projected replacement rate on retirement at age 60. And here's the solution. Let us denote by S the salary between age 45 and age 46. Kirsten's projected replacement rate on retirement at age 60 is S times S58 plus S59 over 2 times S45, because we're taking the average of a salary in the last 2 ages of employment, which are 58 and 59. And the salary from current age of 45 to age 58 will be increased by a factor of S58 divided by S45, and then to age 59 it will be increased by a factor of S59 over S45. And then if you multiply S by that factor, that will be the salary, and then you take the average of the 2 salaries and you get exactly what you see there, times 0.016, that's 1.6% accrual rate for each year of service, times 15, which is the number of years of service. So that's going to be the benefit amount, and that's divided by the last salary to find the replacement ratio, and the last salary will be S times S59 over S45. Okay, well, some things cancel out here. Big S cancels, and both top and bottom have division by S45, so that cancels too. And we end up with S58 over S59 plus 1 times 0.5, which is 1 over 2 from the average, times 0.016 times 15. And that's equal, based on the data given in the problem, to 3.382 divided by 3.432 plus 1 times 0.5 times 0.016 times 15, and that's approximately 23.825175%, which is answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.